Hi everyone. Yeah, I wanted to talk something to everyone and to my ladies and gentlemen and people who are watching all over the world. You know what I wanted to tell you? Yeah, no matter what, no matter what, no matter anything, don't force anything that's not yours to be yours. If God has not blessed you with something, sit back, relax, sit back, relax, keep praying, keep hoping, and you know what? God is going to surprise you. Do not force anything that's not yours to be yours. If someone is blessed with something, let that blessing be his or hers. Don't take his blessing away. Bless that person wherever you are and sit back. Wait for your own blessing to come. You know, there are many girls out there are many women out there are many men out there who are forcing things that are not theirs to be their own personal belongings. Don't cry. Don't mourn. Wait, relax, and God is definitely going to bless you. God cannot bless us at the same time. God cannot always give us anything or everything at the same time. That time your friend is blessed with this, and that time your friend is blessed with that. If you're forcing something to be yours, if that's not your time, wait for your blessing to come. Keep praying, don't give up. I know this life, people sometimes will always give you the pressure and the pressure to keep pursuing something. But let me tell you, if it's not your chance, it doesn't matter how much energy or how much effort you put in. Grabbing somebody's blessing, that's a curse. Leave that alone. Leave that what is not yours to someone that belongs to you. Don't take something that's not yours, and be patient, girls. Do not, I repeat, do not force something to happen. Many of us are wishing this, that, this. Oh, I want this woman. Oh, I want a man like his man. Oh, I want this and that. Hey, do you know what? God has yes, no, or wait. Are you sitting there wishing, praying, pursuing? Even you go ahead grabbing somebody's blessing, you go ahead grabbing somebody's luck because you think you're going to reach where that person is. My friend, what are you doing? This is wrong and very wrong. Okay? I just wanted to give you this message and to wish you all a happy evening. Thanks for watching me. Bye bye.